Also, we love Allah Azza wa Jal because He loves those who repent and turn back to Him, no matter how messy your situation was. Allahu Akbar. How can you not love Allah Azza wa Jal when you know that He loves those who repent and turn back to Him? Shu'aib alayhi salam, he said to his people, وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ ثُمَّ تُوبُوا إِلَيْهِ إِنَّ رَبِّي رَحِيمٌ وَدُودٌ. He said to his people, seek Allah's forgiveness and turn back to Him. Verily my Lord is Rahim, He's always merciful. Wadud, He is Wadud. Yani He is all loving. Yani what does this mean? Let me tell you something. You know, in life, if you did wrong with someone, if you did like a huge wrong and mistake with someone, it is impossible for that person to love you how he loved you first time. Maybe people can forgive, right? But then that's it. I don't want to see you again, right? The love will never be the same as it used to be at the beginning. But Allah Azza wa Jal in this case is saying, Inna Rabbi Rahimun Wadud. No matter how much you have sinned against Allah, no matter how much Allah was displeased with the servant as he sinned against him, if you seek Allah's forgiveness and turn back to Him, He will love you once again. He will love you once again. This is the meanings of Inna Rabbi Rahimun Wadud. And this is one of the beautiful meanings that Shaykh Sa'di rahimahullah brought in his tafsir. Allahu Akbar.